So let's quickly solve this question. So this is number 5 of the Valentine math quiz question. So they say Sapilo deposited 800 naira in the bank at the rate of 12.5% simple interest. After some time, the total amount was one and a half. The principal for how many years was the money? What am I? After some time, the total amount was one and a half. The principal was one and a half. The principal. Now the question is, for how many years was the money left in the bank? So first of all, we are going to check total amount is equals to what? One and a half. One and a half, which is equals to 3 over 2, which is 2 times 1, 2 plus this 3 over 2. Now, they say was one and a half the principal. So principal is the money deposited there. So one and a half of 800. What will it give us? Of 800 now. So this will give us 3 times 4, 24. So it will give us 24. That's 2004. 2004 all over 2. So this will give us what? 2 year 1, 2 year 1, 2. So this will give us 1,200 naira. So the total amount is what? 1,200 naira. Now, remember that simple interest, that amount, if you want to get your amount, that it is equals to principal, principal plus the simple interest. So that's if you want to get your amount. So this will give us what? So this will give us what? Let me write it here. Amount is equals to P plus I. Therefore, do we know what P is? Yes. Do we know what we are looking for? I. Do you know what A is? Yes. That's total. We don't know what A is, or do we know? Yes, we know what A is. That's amount. So do we know what? Okay, we know our principal, which is this. So our amount, which is what? This. So we are going to have I, which is the simple interest, is equals to amount minus the principal. So our amount, which is I, is equals to 1,200 minus principal, which is 800 naira. So which will give us our interest will be 400. That's our simple interest. So that's our interest, our simple interest. Now remember, simple interest is equals to principal times rate times time all over 100. So this will give us what? Simple interest is already 400, right? Principal is 800 times 400. That's rate. Rate will be 2 times this 24, 25 over 2. So we gotta have 25 all over 2 times 100, then times rate. So this will give us 400 is equals to this times this 800 times 25 will give me 20k. Wow. So we have 20,000 T all over 200. So this, okay, let's cross multiply first. So this times this 400 times 200, 80,000. 80, 1, 2, 3, 80,000 is equals to 20,000 So we divide both sides by 20,000. Divide both sides by 20,000. So this cancelling this, our T will now be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This divided by this will give me 4. So the time will be 4 years. How many years was the money left in the bank? 4 years. Wonderful. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. So if you want to understand this well, just know your simple interest. Know that amount is equals to principal plus interest and the rest. So bye.